So before we start, I just want to give a big shout out to Big Fame for recommending this. I believe this is what they wanted. If not, I'm sure other people will find this useful. So again, thank you, Big Fame. Alright, so welcome to another How to Dyno video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a DM custom command. So this will allow you to DM any specific user within your server through Dyno. It's similar to the say command I did in my first custom command video. But anyways, you want to start off by heading over to dyno.gg, which is the Dynobot dashboard. Click on Manage Servers. Select the server you like to manage, and we're going to go to the Custom Commands module. So please make sure this module is enabled, and let's go ahead and add a command. So this command is fairly simple. The command name is DM, or you can name it whatever you want. In this case, it's just DM. And then you guys can go over to the channel description and copy this, or you could type it. Either way, it should work. So this DM, this $1 will specify the user you want to DM, and then this $2 plus as the actual message, the message body, and then the plus just means include all the characters after the second word. Okay, and then if you kind of want to keep it hidden, or have Dyno just delete the command after you've used it, just go ahead and enable this delete command, and Dyno will just automatically delete the command once you post it. And this is only in the server. You can't actually like run this command in the DM, so you'd have to have like a private channel, or just I don't know, it just has to be in the server, so you'd run this in the server. All right, and we can go ahead and add the command. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to Discord. I am just gonna run this command on myself because it's easier that way. You guys can see everything happening in real time. So see you on the flip side. All right, so here we are in Discord. Let's go ahead and test the command. So the command name was DM, and then we're just gonna go ahead and grab my mention, and we're just gonna say hi. So as you can see, got a message from Dyno. I wonder what it says. Click on it, and as you can see, the message is hi. These are just from previous tests. And then up here, as you can see, it says How to Dyno. That's just the name of the server. That's just something Dyno does automatically whenever sending DMs. We can also use copy the user ID and send a DM like that if you don't want the user to receive a ping. So we can just say hi again. And as you can see, it went through. And then if you can't copy the ID like that, because I do have developer mode enabled, you can just use the whois command. You can either mention the user or just do whois and then type the username out. And the ID is down here at the bottom in the footer. And again, that would do the trick. So this is similar to the say command. Just to get any questions out of the way, no, you cannot mass DM like an entire server. That's just abusive and something that the bot developers don't want to haggle with. I believe that's the first thing that comes to the top of my head. So yeah, no, you cannot just mass DM multiple users. It's only limited to one, so you can't even do 2 users. So you'd have to specifically or individually do each of the messages. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.